little learners. Welcome to today's fun and exciting video, where we're going to talk about some super important things that help us stay clean and healthy every day. Are you ready?
Soap, used to wash your hands and body, getting rid of dirt and germs. Toothbrush, helps clean your teeth to keep them strong and healthy. Toothpaste, works with a toothbrush to remove food and germs from your teeth. Shampoo, cleans your hair, removing dirt and making it smell good. Conditioner, makes your hair soft and smooth after washing it with shampoo. Towel, used to dry your body after a bath or shower. Comb or brush, helps untangle and smooth your hair. Nail clipper, used to cut and trim your nails to keep them neat and clean. Hand sanitizer, cleans your hands without water, especially when you're outside. Washcloth, a small cloth used to scrub and clean your body in the bath or shower. Deodorant, keeps you smelling fresh by preventing sweat odors. Bath sponge, used to gently scrub your skin during bath time to remove dirt. Face wash, a special soap for cleaning your face, helping keep your skin clear. Shower gel, a liquid soap for washing your entire body in the shower. Floss, cleans between your teeth to remove food and germs your toothbrush can't reach.